Hey there, today I have this seed starting kit from the team over at Root Trimmer. So let's take a look at what comes with it and my thoughts so far.
So with this set, you're going to get the cups so you can put the medium in and then plant whatever seeds you wish. So you're gonna get the trays, which are nice and deep and will hold the cups upright without much room for any kind of spilling if you have a full tray. You're also going to get the domed lids that have these dials on the top that can be opened and closed as needed to get the perfect amount of air and humidity that you want. The lights are nice and long as far as coverage. They will go well over the dome and provide light. They are nice and flexible, and they do have the 3-color scheme to get the right type of brightness and lighting that is best for whatever it is you're trying to grow. You can also adjust the brightness up and down for 10 different levels, and there is a timer feature making it easy for your plants to get the perfect amount of light that you are trying to give them.
So for planting, all I did was put my soil mix into the cups, put my seeds in, watered everything in, and then found a place to put it inside. I really like how I can adjust the lights and the brightness as well as the color spectrum that works best for me and for the plants. The dials on the top are nice to help control airflow and humidity for the plants as those seeds are starting to grow. I think this is a great little seed starting kit, and I like that I can use it year after year to get my garden started. If you are looking for a pretty complete seed starting kit, then I hope this video helps you decide on if this is a good product for you.